You was only at 15 psi. It was nothing. Always got to make sure when they got these big ass 23s and this big ass tour pack that it clears, but I got 6 inches. You know, I'll let you bull. So let me tell you something that differentiate mine from everybody else. Everybody else, you know, they want to get in, they gotta out, you know, they gotta move it outwards this way, right? Not mine. Swing that bitch open. Still got access, like goddamn. Get up. Shit, the tire sound like that thing needs some air in the tire. Yep, I got you. Man, cause I rode off, that shit sounded weak. You was only at 15 psi. It was nothing. Yeah, nah, this is the Metros. They got hard sidewalls, so you can damn near run them bitches low.
What about the back?
Shit, they probably low as fuck too. Rear was only 21. Yeah, it was low. Shit, we got room in there.
You know the accent.
Man. Oh shit.
One more bite. That's the bite.
God damn. Oh, damn near 30 bikes up in this bitch.
What? Oh, the Eagle Grip one?